In today's video, I'll show you how to update your name or email on Agoda quickly and easily. First, open your browser and go to the Agoda website. Then log into your account. Once logged in, click on your profile icon at the top right corner and select Profile from the drop-down menu. To change your name, go to the User Details section. Click the Edit button next to your name, type in the new name, double-check the spelling and hit Save. Your profile will update immediately. Changing your email is a bit different for security reasons. You likely need to contact Agoda's customer support to update it. Look for the Help or Contact section on the site and follow their instructions. This ensures your account stays secure. And that's it. Your name is updated and you now know how to change your email safely. Keeping your profile current ensures you get all your booking confirmations and travel updates without issues.